Nice to meet you. I am Emily Oquero. I am the new corporate trainer for the company, and I have been with Just about a month and a half. So I'm pretty new to the company, but I have a lot of experience in everything related to beauty. I've been working in the beauty industry for about 16 years already, and mainly specifically in cosmetic brands. So this is the topic that I love the most. I am a freak about keeping your skin as young as possible. I believe in aging gracefully, but the prettier you look, the better. So that is very important to me. And today we're going to speak about how to keep your skin as healthy and as youthful as possible. And when we think about youthful skin or ideal skin, we think about somebody that is in their 20s, that has no wrinkles, no spots, no falling, skin that is a little bit loose. And we think about age. And most cosmetic houses think the same way. Most cosmetic houses have creams for in your 20s, in your 30s, in your 40s. But skin aging doesn't work like that. Skin aging is affected by the way that you live. What do you eat? How do you sleep? Do you smoke? Do you expose yourself to the sun a lot? Do you have any hormonal changes? So somebody that is 30 years old and has all of these factors affecting their life can look a lot older than somebody that is 50. That's why in our home, in Just, we develop a line which is Vital Use, and it's a specific based on the customer need, not on the age. It can be somebody that is 50 years old and looks amazing, or it can be somebody that is 30 and needs a little bit of help. So what does Vital Use have, and why is it effective? It has number one, something that we call the Alpine Moisture Complex, which is Swiss glacier water and a little flower that is called Edelweiss, which is in the Swiss Alps. And what they do together is that we created liposomes, which are like little capsules that penetrate your skin, and they start leaving the vitamins and the benefits little by little. It doesn't release everything at the same time, but it keeps releasing the vitamins little by little in a process of 24 hours, which allows to hydrate your skin and maintain your skin fighting against free radicals and any environmental effects that can affect your skin. So that's one of the things that it has, only one of the things. The second thing that it has is a snow algae. Snow algae is a plant also that grows in the Alps at about almost 10,000 feet high, and it activates the cells that produce collagen and elastin. It allows these cells to keep themselves alive for longer time, therefore producing more collagen and elastin for your skin. And what that is going to do is going to give you more luminosity, more radiance, more hydration, and it's going to keep your skin firmer. Then the other thing that it has, besides having those two, is having 100 pure flower essential oils and extracts, and those are going to allow you to feel like if you are in a spa, besides having a specific benefit depending on the product per se. But all of our products on the Vital Juice line have these things. So what are you going to find in the Vital Juice line? We have, in this case, I'm showing you only 3 different kits or 3 different routines that are specifically according to the need. If you want to cleanse your skin, you can use the one that has the cleansing gel, the micellar makeup remover, the tonic, and the exfoliant cream. Now, if you're looking for more anti-aging, you can use a mask 1 or twice a week, and you can use the serum with the night cream and the day cream, or you can use the exfoliant with the night cream and the day cream. And if you have mature skin and you want to make sure that you're going to revive your skin, you can use the eye and lip contour and the serum and the cream. But I'm going to explain each of them specifically. And as you can see below there, they're gluten-free. They all have been dermatologically tested. We are cruelty-free, meaning we don't try on animals. We don't have parabens, and we don't have any chemical preservative. So that is very important. So with the Vital Juice system or the Vital Juice routine that you choose, it's going to help you firm, get rid of the wrinkles. It's going to make your skin smoother. It's going to give you more clarity and more radiance, more luminosity, elasticity, firmness, and it's going to help you even out the dark spots. When we tried it in people, what they found out, 80% of them noticed a reduction on the crow's feet or on the lines that are around the eyes. 60%, 67% notice a reduction on the appearance of dark spots and even tone, which is very important with someone that is getting older. They always get dark spots. And 100% of them notice an increase in hydration. This is very important. It's extremely, extremely effective. And I will tell you, I'll give you a comparison later. This is one of our leaders, somebody that works here in the company. And after the first use only, you can see the incredible difference in the lines that is around the eyes right here, and also in the lines around the mouth and in the color and the texture of the skin. Only one use of the routine. It is really a wonderful, wonderful product. So what are we going to see? We're going to speak about number one, the micellar makeup remover. Oh, and before I start talking about the products, I will use them in front of you so you can see how long does it take you to do a whole routine. I'm going to talk to you about the products first, and then I will do the whole routine in front of you. So the micellar makeup remover is made with rose water and Edelweiss, which is that little flower that I told you from the Swiss Alps, extract. What micellars are like little imanes in español. Oh my God, I completely forgot the word in English, Cesar, if you remember. Magnets. They're like little magnets that are going to absorb any dirt or any oil that you have in your skin, extra oil that you have on your skin, in order for you to be able to remove the makeup without having to wash your face. And it's great for sensitive skin because you don't need to rub a lot, because it actually pulls out the impurities of your skin. You can use it in all your face, and it's great for makeup, even waterproof makeup or water resistant makeup. You don't need to rinse it. You just apply it with a cotton, and it's, like I said, incredible for sensitive skin. Then we also have the micro peeling cream. The micro peeling cream is made with rose water and Edelweiss extract, but it also has bamboo and rose petal micro granules. Those are the one that is going to create the mechanic exfoliating action of your skin, and it's going to help you get rid of excess oil and skin cells, so your skin can look more luminous, and it's going to make that dull skin, that gray skin, disappear. Your skin is going to look more luminous. It's going to be able to breathe better and to oxygenate even better, and that only allows any product that you apply afterward easier. It makes them more effective because they are able to apply or to absorb even deeper. You apply it in circular motions with a wet face, and then you take it off with water, or if you have a little towel, a wet towel, you can take a little wet towel. Then the third product that we're going to speak about is the Intensive Renewal Mask. The Intensive Renewal Mask, we can use it once or twice a week along with the micro exfoliating cream. And it's made of the Alpine Moisture Complex, but it also has shea butter and hyaluronic acid. This mask is going to be incredible for skin that looks very dry, very tired, very dull. So if you have been sick or if you haven't been sleeping a lot, this is the product that can help you. And it's going to help you repair the layers of your skin. It's going to help the renewal of the layers of your skin. So it's going to work mainly on the outer layers, and it provides immediate hydration. And if you have a very tight, sensitive, dry skin, is going to provide immediate relief, and it's going to improve the elasticity of the skin, so you're going to be able to move a little bit better. There's some areas in the country that have harder water that when you get out of the bathroom you feel that your skin is like that. This is perfect for that type. When you apply it after you use the micro exfoliating cream, and you leave it on for like 15 to 20 minutes and enjoy the aroma, which is wonderful. I promise you, you're going to feel like you have been in a spa for 1 or 2 hours once you use it. Then after the mask, we're going to speak about the tonic. The tonic is also made with the Damascene, the rose, and the Edelweiss extract, and it's going to kind of complete the cleansing regimen. What it's going to do is finish off cleansing any extra impurities that are in your skin. It's going to also balance the pH of your skin, which is going to allow the product to penetrate deeper and to work better. And it's also going to give you a little bit more luminosity. And if you are a person that has dilated pores, it's going to make the appearance of the pores smaller. It's also, when it balances the pH of their skin, it's also going to help you balance the oil production. So if you're a person that tends to produce a lot of oil in your whole face or in the T-zone, this product is essential for you. You apply it with a skin, with a cotton disc, and you avoid the eye area. That's the only specificity that you have for the tonic. Now, in regards to the serum, one of my favorite is going to intensely repair, hydrate, and maintain your skin. It has the essential, the alpine moisture complex, the snow algae extract, and it's enriched with vitamin C. When it's enriched with vitamin C, it's going to help you even out the dark spots on your skin, or the appearance of the dark spots and any uneven tone. Even if it's not dark spots, sometimes it's lighter spots. It's going to help you out and even out the tone. It's going to improve skin elasticity, firmness, luminosity, and softness from the deeper layers of the skin. It's ideal for mature skin. So I compare the serum. If you think about a mattress that has coils in the serum, what's going to do is maintain these coils in a perfect position so your skin is able to bounce back and up. Those coils is what you call, or what everybody calls around, collagen. They give a structure to your skin and they give the thickness to your skin. It's also going to work out in the increase of production of hyaluronic acid, and it's also going to help even out the wrinkles on your skin. So if it maintains the coils all even, the surface of your skin is going to look more even to, or more straight, which is with less wrinkles. So what do you do when you apply it? Once you have cleansed your skin and you have tonified your skin, you apply only a couple of drops. In this case, our products are so concentrated that you don't need to apply a lot. A couple of drops on your finger, and you apply it on your face with upward movement and with little taps around your skin to stimulate the circulation. Then, after the serum, we cannot forget the eyes and around the lips, the areas that have the thinnest skin, and therefore you can see, you can notice the aging faster. What is this going to do? It's going to hydrate and firm that delicate area around the eyes or around the mouth for some people that have a lot of deep wrinkles, especially if it's somebody that smokes or that drinks a lot with straws. And it's going to have a feeling, immediate feeling effect that you're going to see in minutes. And with the continued use, of course, that feeling effect of the wrinkle is going to be increased. So you apply a small amount around the eye area, and by that I mean on the lower eyelid and on the upper eyelid, all over. And if you have wrinkles around your lips, you apply it around your lips. If you have deep wrinkles like marionette lines, or if you have the laugh lines that are really deep, like me, I sleep on my side, so I have a really deep wrinkle here, you can use it in that area too, and it's going to have that feeling firming effect. Last but not least, hydrating creams. Hydrating creams work on the outer layers of the skin. That's the difference with the serum. A lot of people ask, do I need to use both? If you want to see effects quickly, yes. Can you use one only? Yeah. Do you see the effects that you would like in a very short period of time? No. So the serum works in the deeper layers. The creams work on the upper layers. What is this deep hydrating cream do? Number one, it can be used day and night. It's amazing. The texture is so smooth, so silky, that you can apply it both day and night, and it doesn't feel oily or it doesn't feel sticky. It's going to hydrate and regenerate during the day and also during the night with a very silky, smooth texture. And it's going to improve the definition of your contour. So if you have any sagging skin, this is going to help fill up with hyaluronic acid, and it's going to, once your skin kind of fills up and plumps up, it's going to have that lifting, it's going to define the contours of your skin, and you're going to look rejuvenated, because the aging is not only about the wrinkles, it's also about the sag. So this is going to help give that contour on the skin. And immediately it has like micro illuminating pigments that when you apply it, your skin is going to look luminous immediately right after you apply it. So like I said before, it can be used day and night. The good thing about it is that it maintains hydration for 24 hours. So if you want to use it only during the day or only during the night and mix it with another one of our hydrating creams, you can. Because of course, it depends on your skin type and it depends on your need, which hydrating cream you should use each time. So if you have oily to combination skin like me, you can use the Mightyfying Hydrogel with Edelweiss and Yellow Moambe, and that is specifically for combination skin, oily on the T-zone or oily all over the face, because it's going to help you absorb that extra production of oil, and it's going to also calm down that production of oil. It's going to tell your skin, hey, you don't need to produce this much oil, and it's going to balance out that production, and it's going to help minimize the size of the pores too. So that can be used in along with the deep hydrating cream. Like I would use this one during the day and that one during the night if you have oily to combination. But if you don't, you can use our regular hydrating day cream that is going to also increase the production of hyaluronic acid. And if you prefer to have a different day and night cream, this is your perfect spot. You can use the red densifying night cream with Edelweiss and Krakau's extract that is going to complement that day cream and that deep hydration and promote the cell renewal. Especially, of course, during the night when we are laying down and we are resting, your body oxygenates better, and that even helps create or to renew the skin, the cell renewal faster. So that's why you could use one during the day and one during the night, but it depends on your need. It's completely up to you. So I have explained to you in a nutshell what do each of our products in our line works, but you can create your own routine depending on your need. So I'm going to give you a few examples. If you have been misbehaving and you have been in the sun a lot and you have been eating bad and you just need to reset and detox your skin, I would use the cleansing gel. Then I would use the micellar makeup remover. I would use the micro-peeling cream once a week, the clarifying tonic, and the mattifying hydrogel. That will be my daily ritual if I want to detox my skin. But if you have more concerns about aging, if you're someone that needs a little bit more help because you already are showing signs of aging, then I would use the Mature Skin Toning and Firming, for example, which will include the cleansing gel, the makeup remover, the micro-peeling cream, the tonic, and then as a treatment, I will use the mask once a week, and I will use the eye and lip contour cream. I will use the serum, and I will use the deeply hydrating night and day cream. That will be my treatment for you. Now, if you are not concerned about that, if you're more concerned about the luminosity and the dark spots of your skin, I will go with the whole routine for cleansing, and I will go with the serum, the night and day cream, and the jackfruit whitening cream, which is our whitening cream, and it's a little bit different, and that's why we don't include it in the regular routines. So these are different examples on how can you mix and match and build your own routine that is completely personalized and effective for you. Now, I usually hear a lot of people that says, oh my God, there is so many products. How can you apply so many products? I don't have time for that. This is why I'm here. I'm going to show you how can you use all of these products and how it's going to be really easy and really fast. The idea to use all of these products is because they work in different areas of your skin. Like I said, the serum is deeper layers, the creams are upper layers of the skin, the eye and the lip contour, the thinner, a different formulation in order for the creams to penetrate. So you need a different product for that too. And to cleanse your skin, you will need something different also. So, Lisa, if you can help me here, I'm going to stop sharing because I'm going to take off my makeup and use everything around right here with you. Give me 1 minute. What did I do? I grabbed from my bathroom.
Yes.
And I brought my tray with all of my products that I use daily or that I use once or twice a week. That way it's a lot easier for you or for me to demonstrate all of the products for you. And I was looking around my house for a ponytail. Of course, the only one that I could find was one for my daughter. But if you can see, sir, can you time me up or take the time to see how long it takes me to do the whole routine? Okay, so I'm gonna take, I'm sorry, I'm gonna apologize. I'm gonna take my glasses off and I don't see anything without my glasses. I have a mirror right here that has big augmentation so I can see what I'm doing because otherwise I can see. So I'm gonna start my routine with the micellar makeup remover. And it is right here. If you guys can see it, let me know because I can't. So how do I use that? I just grab one simple, this cotton disc, and I wet it with the micellar makeup remover. The micellar makeup remover, you can use it in one stroke movements, or you can use it in circular movements. It's up to you. I'm gonna do the whole routine in the half of my face so you guys can see the difference. Now, this is really good to take off makeup resistant, waterproof resistant makeup. I use waterproof resistant mascara. So what do I do when I take it off? I just pat it down and slowly move it down. Let's see if I can see myself here. Perfect. And then finish cleaning it up here. So that would be to take off my makeup. And if you can see, I had a lot of makeup. Then the second product I would use in my routine is the tonic. And with the tonic, I do the same thing. I grab one cotton disc, I wet it, and I make sure that I pass it around, avoiding the eye area. So with the micellar water, yes, you can do it in your eyes because you need to take your eye makeup, but the tonic, no. And the tonic is gonna end up cleansing your skin, any impurities that were left or any oil that was left, excess production of oil that was left on your skin, and balance your pH and even out the appearance of the pores, okay? Then, third product I would use is my eye serum. This is the eye serum, yes, I can see. The eye contour cream, and I'm gonna apply a really small quantity, just more or less like that. I will use my ring finger and I'm gonna apply in the bottom, but I'm also gonna apply on my brow bone. Why? Because our contour cream has a lifting effect, and that lifting plumping effect is gonna help my upper eyelid be lifted too. So I apply from the center to the outside, make sure that you cover these areas. If you have anything around your lips or if you have wrinkles around your lips, you apply it too. Marionette lines and laugh lines. That was my third product. Then my fourth product would be the serum. Once I apply that, in this case, in my whole face, I apply like a pump and a half, 2 pumps. Since I'm doing only half of my face, I'm gonna apply 1 pump only. How do I apply it? I apply it in upward movements, and then after I apply it in upward movements, I'm going to do taps on my skin to stimulate circulation. And finally, last but not least, one of my favorites, day and night deeply hydrating cream. If you're using it in your house, a lot of people put their fingers in their cream. It's up to you, but I would recommend that you grab it with a little cotton swab so you don't contaminate and you don't put any dirt in your cream. I use it a small quantity because I'm only using it for half of my face. And then I apply it all over my face. And of course, I didn't do it in this video, but you do it in your neck, upward movements. I'm gonna take a bandage and do it since it's right here. And décolleté if you have any wrinkles around your décolleté or your chest area. Now, Cesar, how long did this take me? Hold on. Let me see if I can see this.
Yes, it's all good, all good. I think we learning a lot.
Okay.
Learning a lot.
So
Okay.
my two things that are very important to tell you. Number one, it is very fast. It takes you, and especially right now, it takes me more time because I'm doing it in camera in front of you. But when you have it in your bathroom and you're just getting out of the shower in the morning, you apply it even faster. It's a lot easier for you. So I don't have the time, it's an excuse. You will need to, if you want to take care of yourself, all of these steps are necessary. Number two, a lot of people think that buying a whole routine, it is very expensive. And what this is going to cost you, it is about, I would say, in between $5 to about $7 a day for your whole skin. And in order for you to keep your skin youthful or to recuperate your youthful skin. A lot of us spend a lot more than that, a lot more than $6 or $8 a day in a cappuccino, or people that are smoking cigarettes, or in wine, and all of those things are not the best for our skin. This is an investment that is going to make you look even better every day. I was telling you before that I used to work I've been working in the cosmetic industry for a long time. If I compare this line along with other companies that I've worked with, they have the same lifting, anti-wrinkle, anti-aging. They help in the same way of the production of hyaluronic acid, collagen, elastin. So they have the same effectiveness as a cream that costs $300, $400 cream. That's what I'm telling you. So I don't know if I can say it here, but I will say it. I used to work for very luxury cosmetic lines, French luxury cosmetic lines, and their creams, the same thing that do the same thing as the deeply hydrating day and night cream, or that do the same thing as our Perfecting serum. Their serums cost double or more than double than ours, and their creams cost double or triple than ours. So you get a very luxurious treatment for $5 to $8 a day, something like that. So now let me continue with the presentation. Second. And sorry.
Yes, let me show. Maybe.
Hold on, let me see. We are, and this is.
Yes, it's the opportunities. Thank you so much for everyone. Thank you so much for Emily. Is wonderful presentation because we learning a lot. I think it's everyone learning a lot, right? So let me explain a little bit the continuum. If you give me the clicker is great for continuum of the opportunities, because the first opportunity is we can go like or there's three opportunities. One is to be a consultant, because we want more people stay with us to give wellness for everyone. And the second opportunity is be a host. Host because if you're doing a spa with your consultant, you can receive the free products. By the way, this month, if you have the top 3 hosts on the country, you receive extra gift card for a spa, you and your consultant. So if you're big host, to be a host in April, so this is wonderful for you. And this is a topic, but in April, talking about the face care. but we have another different topics for next month. For the third opportunity, be a customer. You can be a customer, you sign in like a customer, receive all the information for us and the promotions. Thank you so much for stay here. If you stay in life, don't leave because you have a different opportunities. Thank you so much for listening. Let me go for the presentation for promotions. For promotion in April is 25% on the viral juice set of these 3 different viral juice. You receive the small bag and you have a 20% off if you take individual each product forever you want, and you receive the 4 samples if you order for more than $75, and the website for our consultants. If you are a preferred customer, you receive a free blue tote bag with your orders $100 or more. And if you are a host, your spa is for more than $400, receive the cleansing gel free. And the promotion for I talking about it is the top 3 consultant and host receive the spa training.